Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to create a rainbow sheep in Minecraft /Jeb_. But if you want to know why all my thing is just raw mutton, white wool and wool, I should probably tell you the story of how that happened.
Yeah.
And loads of Jebs. Before this video, I thought, oh, it'd be a good idea to do some Jebs. Then I just started randomly spawning them till my whole world got overrun by Jebs. Then I did the /kill at E command and it killed all of the Jebs. But the bad things is it also killed my iron golems.
Yeah.
Which ain't very good, but I can spawn them in again. So yeah, and how did the sheep survive? But look at this.
So if you get a sheep and you name it Jeb.
Should I show them how to do it?
Yeah.
No, look at this. There's another cool fact. If you kill the, I want blue. Oh, it doesn't drop the wool, but if you wait, I want to know a fact. If you shear it, does it really get the wool? Oh, look at this. Wait, if I shear it while it's on blue, I get blue. Oh no, you get white wool. That's bad. Who wants to see a load of ugly Jebs?
Show him how to do it.
Okay, just get, and I will keep that. Just get sheep spawn. Jeb. Then
now show them how to basically break the game with Jebs. Yeah, if you spawn too many Jebs, the game starts lagging because it can't process all of the colours that are constantly
And then
changing.
when that happens, you just do this. I think everyone knows what's coming.
And then if you want to get rid of all the loot, which also lags.
Actually, no, I want to be rich.
Yeah.
I want to be rich.
If you have all that loot in the game, it still lags. So sheep don't drop XP?
Yes, but I just killed them with commands so they don't drop it.
Oh. If you put sheep in the dispensers, that would be really cruel.
I've done that before.
Oh.
Okay, now I think we know. So that, guys, is how you spawn infinite Jebs. See ya.
But remember, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. It says you can do it, as you can do it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what suggestions you have for next videos. Share with your friends, share with everyone you know. And I'm going to have to say bye for now. Bye.